Welcome to this new episode of the series on Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, From A to Z.
E for encryption.
Encryption's a fundamental part of the Bitcoin protocol, used to secure all transactions on the network. It's the process of converting plaintext into ciphertext, which can only be read by someone who has the right key to decrypt it. Plaintext's the original message that you want to send, while ciphertext is the encrypted version of that message. To encrypt a message in Bitcoin, a private key is used to generate a digital signature. This digital signature is then used to encrypt the transaction data, making it impossible for anyone to read without the corresponding private key. The private key is a secret piece of data that's known only to the sender of the transaction. It's used to generate the digital signature attached to the transaction data, ensuring that the transaction is authentic and cannot be tampered with. Encryption's what makes Bitcoin's transactions tamper-proof, because once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This is because the encryption used to secure the transaction data is so strong that it would take an enormous amount of computing power to break it. So, in summary, encryption's a critical component of the Bitcoin protocol that's used to secure all transactions on the network. It works by converting plaintext into ciphertext using a private key and digital signature, making it impossible for anyone to read or alter the transaction data without the corresponding private key. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos in this series.